Hi guys, Official Ma here and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, we'll talk about men's relationship and how to get you your dream girl. If you know this kind of content interests you, please hit the subscribe button down below, and with that being done, let's proceed to the video. In today's video, we're going to be speaking about some techniques that you can use to get any girl, like absolutely any girl. You can use this technique to bag any girl of your choice. So without wasting much of your time, are you ready? Because I am. Let's dive into the video. Number one technique that you can use to attract any lady is confidence. Yes, being confident in yourself and being confident also in your abilities. And how do you build confidence? By faking to be confident in the first place. You saw a girl for the first time and you're trying to get her number, and perhaps you're fidgeting. When next you're trying to walk up to a girl to talk to her, just know at the back of your mind that pretend like you're talking to your homeboy. Tell yourself that you're talking to your homeboy or you're just talking to a friend of yours, so you don't get tense and start fidgeting. So a man that is confident and a man that walks into any room and own the room definitely would be the first choice of so many women. Number two, build your self-esteem. Just like what I said earlier in the first point, stop looking down on yourself. When you look down on yourself or say things like, no girl likes me, nobody likes me, I'm ugly, I'm this and that, it definitely would affect your confidence because you don't believe in yourself in the first place. So working on your self-esteem definitely is a technique that you can use to bag any lady. Number three, avoid needy behavior. Needy behavior in the sense that you're always calling, you're always texting. I'm not trying to say that it's bad to call or text people that you love, but give that person space to breathe. Give that person space to breathe. Like, it's not every time you're calling, you're texting, you're always in this person's business. And the most easiest way that you can avoid needy behavior is actually by having a life of your own outside the relationship. When you have work, you have school, you have something to do without being in this person's business 247. Because when you're always there, you don't give this person time to miss you or time to think about you. Obviously, the person will get tired of you. If you call this person, you can call this person 100 times a day. I'm not joking, some people are actually like that. But when you have something to do, you have work, you have things to do, obviously, you would be busy some time of the day and you might not have time to always be in this person's business, always in this person's house, always calling, always texting. Number four, don't pretend to be someone that you're not. Always be your authentic self. Don't be someone that you're not. Don't pretend to be in this category. You know deep down, because you obviously can't lie to yourself. You know that you're not this person, but you pretend to be that person in order to fit into this person's aesthetic, in order to be who this person wants for themselves. Don't be who you're not, because at the long run, if eventually your tricks pay off, she eventually agrees to date you or she eventually agrees to be in a relationship with you. One thing about pretending is that no matter how good you are at pretending, you cannot pretend for so long. And what happens on the day when you're tired of pretending, when you're tired of pretending to be who you're not, in order to fit a particular person's aesthetic, you pretend to have some amount of money, you pretend to be this very rich guy. Whenever she asks for something, you just give it to her at a go. It's not bad to give things to people that you love, but know yourself, know your capacity. Nigerians will say, no good do past yourself. Yeah, don't do things that are more than your capacity. Know your capacity. You know that you're not able to afford this particular lifestyle for this person because you're pretending to be who you're not. You carry on the responsibility because you want this person to like you, because you want this person to love you. That is what happens when you refuse to build your self-esteem. When you don't build your self-esteem, you have this kind of issues. And don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to say that you should not improve for people that you love. You can actually improve your character. Maybe the person that you love complain that, okay, I don't like when you do this, I don't like when you do that, and you decide to change because of this person. You decide to change those characters because of this person. That one is a different case altogether. But in this scenario, you're trying to pretend to be who you're not. For example, you can tell her that, okay, I have 5 houses, I have this, I have that. But deep down, you know that you don't own those items that you're telling this person that you own. Or some people even go as far as lying that they know a particular set of influential people. Or I know Davido, I know this person, we sit down, we dine together, we do this, we do that. But you know that these people, you've never met these people before. But you choose to lie because you want this person to see you as someone that you're not. You want this person to hold you in high regard, whereas you just know that you're just an ordinary guy that is trying to make ends meet or trying to survive. When you're tired of pretending, what happens obviously? As time goes on, definitely you need a lie to cover up another lie. So you keep on lying till you're caught in the web of your lies, and that person automatically know that, okay, you see this guy, he's a liar, and definitely that person would never respect you again. Don't pretend to be who you're not. Be yourself, be your authentic self, and the person that loves you for who you are definitely would come, and you would not have to pretend to be who you're not. Number 5, humor. Building humor in a relationship is very important. Don't be the kind of guy that is always serious. It's a relationship, not a job interview. You're always serious, you're always keeping your face straight, and you're that kind of person that is very difficult to approach because your face is all locked up, your face is all tightened up, like you're talking to a girl and you're making it look as if it's a job interview. I have so many those kind of little humors that you can use. I think one of my videos I made on how to text girls properly, there are some humors, there are some texts that can be of humor that we can actually use some of them to incorporate humor. Number 6 technique that you can use to get any girl, to bag any girl, is that you should try to be a man of your words. Your yes should be your yes, and your no should be your no. It's very difficult to keep to your words, I know. Even most times I struggle with keeping my words, but it has to take a very conscious effort to be a person of your words. I read something a time ago, and that changed my perspective, being a person that keeps to your words. And I'm going to share it with you guys here. It says that, okay, someone asked it's a very simple question. The person said, if your boss told you, the night before, he told you, okay, I'm coming to work by 7 a.m. today, and before I come to work, I want this whole place to be arranged, the whole office should be arranged, and I want you also to take the trash cans out. Trust me, 99% of people watching this video, before 7 a.m. you'll be at the office, and definitely you would take the trash cans out. Why? Because your boss said that you should take the trash cans out. So why is it that when you tell yourself that you will do this particular thing, you don't do it? Why? You don't respect yourself enough, because you know that you can't beat yourself up, or you can't sack yourself perhaps. You don't do them because you don't respect yourself enough. But you respect your boss. When your boss tells you to do something, you do it immediately because you respect that person. When you don't respect yourself, you tell yourself that you do a particular thing and you don't do it. So be a person of your words. If it has come out of your mouth, perhaps, maybe, even though it takes time for you to fulfill those promises, make sure you fulfill your promises to people. Make sure you are a person of your words. No matter how the person tries to convince you, don't let it come out of your mouth if you cannot take to keeping that promise. Number 7, take care of yourself and your appearance. Don't look like your problems. Most people feel like, oh, it's only women that should take care of their appearance. No, don't do that. Try to take care of your appearance. Invest in a good skincare routine. Most men, they don't use skincare routine because they feel like it's only women that make use of skincare routine. No, have a good skincare routine. Make use of deodorant. Make sure your nails are clean and tidy at all times. Cut your hair short if your hair is overgrown. Cut your beards, trim your beards. Don't allow your beards to be overgrown, and maybe you're having different color of beards. You're having white, you're looking like someone that is homeless, whereas you're not homeless. You're living in a very comfortable house. You go to approach a lady and she's turning you down, and you say, okay, she doesn't know what she missed. Improve yourself on the inside, but it's also important for you to improve yourself on the outside also. With that being said, we've come to the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, and please also, if you're interested in joining our Telegram channel, the link to it is going to be in the description box down below. Everything that is going to happen in the Telegram group definitely will be discussed on Telegram. Don't also forget to smash the subscribe button to be part of our growing community. I love you guys all, and see you in my next video. Cheers.